ChatGPT has a cousin and it's called Consistent Character GPT. This character GPT stays in character no matter what. So if you're wanting to create like a story and you want to do role plays, or you want a brand voice simulator and you want interactive characters that will always look the same, this is the best GPT you could use. Let me show you how to use it. So we're going to open our ChatGPT and we're using the free account. And we're going to go to the menu and click on Explore. And then where it says Search Public GPTs, we're going to search for consistent characters. And then we're going to use this consistent character GPT. And then it doesn't ask for a prompt. As you can see, it says no prompt needed. Start by clicking here and following the steps. So you're going to click where it says start there. So the thing that you do now, you answer all the questions that the GPT asks you. What kind of a character do you want? What are they wearing? What kind of poses do you want the character to have? And then you answer all the questions step by step, and it keeps it in memory and it locks it in. Once it's done doing that, you are done. You are going to wait for the tool to create the character for you. It'll ask you for different poses that you want. Maybe you want to move it to another station, or you want it to stand by the window. You'll then answer those questions and then the GPT will create them for you. If you'd like to use those extra poses that ChatGPT gave to you, you can always go back to your library and go find the first image that ChatGPT or the consistent GPT created for you. Once you find the image, you're going to open it up and you're going to select edit. And once you've selected edit, it's going to show you the options that are available for you to create different poses. So you're going to have your first image and then it's going to ask you, what is the first action that you want to see? Then you're going to tell the GPT that you would like her with a different pose. And you can scroll down and ask for the next action and it'll show you the next pose. And so on until you do 4 poses, and that's it. It's going to then say you need to subscribe because those are the 4 poses that you could get for free. Your consistent character is also going to be saved under your chats. So in future, when you're looking for it, you can always find it under your chats. The steps that you've seen before, where you open your video or your image to video tools. I use Kling, I sometimes use Pixverse, I sometimes use Hailuo, so depending on whichever one that you use. So you're going to add your image on the create section, and then you're going to write your prompt of how the avatar should be acting and what it should be doing. I always use slow gestures, natural gestures, just to make sure that I get the results that I want, where the avatar is talking slowly and there's no blurry on there. And then the last step would be for you to go to dreamface.app to make them talk if you're not using your Kling.ai. Then you're going to add your avatar, and then you could either record the audio or you could type the audio and get the tools that the Dreamface app has. The audio that's there, you can generate it
by the name of consistent.
So I've recorded my own audio, and then I'm going to press generate to have her talk on my behalf. And then it takes like a couple of moments, and then she would then start talking and lip synced in order to have her as you've seen her on the video. Okay, while it's generating, let me show you, because I've generated it before. It looks like this. The lip sync look like this, and you can
show you how to do that.
You can unmute it.
ChatGPT has a cousin by the name of consistent characteristics. This is how.
And then that's how you do it. You're going to press on download, and then your avatar created by ChatGPT is all yours. You can go watch the lip sync by Kling on this next video. I will see you with our next video.